Your team's really busy, you're making good money, you're growing, and then all of a sudden this growth that you've been experiencing starts to kind of flatten off. And then it just stays flat. The team is busy as can be. They're just churning product out, assembling tools, getting them out the door, but you're not seeing the growth. Let's talk about addition through subtraction in your business. Does that make sense? All right, well, I'm gonna make it make sense. So let's imagine you have a business. Things are rolling along, your team's really busy, you're making good money, you're growing, and then all of a sudden this growth that you've been experiencing starts to kind of flatten off. And then it just stays flat. The team is busy as can be. They're just churning product out, assembling tools, getting them out the door, but you're not seeing the growth. And you're racking your brain trying to figure out what is wrong. We're busy as can be. We start rationing up our pricing. You push the pricing too much, customers stop buying. So you're still just in this nebulous, frustrating, excruciating place where you can't grow. Well, the team's busy. Team keeps saying we need to hire more people. I can't afford to hire more people. What do we do? For the sake of this discussion, let's imagine we have 10 products, 10 tools that we are selling. And obviously they have different price points and different margins on each of them. Start breaking it down and looking at how many of each of these tools we are getting out the door. And let's just say 80% of your energy and effort is going into 2 tools, and then 20% is going into the remaining 8. Okay, that's fair. Now let's look at the pricing for those tools. Are we making any money off of them? Or is the team just spinning their wheels, churning and pumping these tools out, and you're just flat because you're actually losing money, or maybe just breaking even on those tools? Now you have these products over here. Maybe you're not selling as many of them for whatever reason, but you make a lot more money on them. If you take away these tools that you're breaking even or losing money on, all of a sudden you unlock capacity to focus on building, selling, and delivering more of these tools that are actually making you money. Addition through subtraction. I can't believe I actually just made that work. Okay. The lesson here is, if you are struggling, if you have flatlined your business, start looking at the information you have locked away in your systems in a different way. Start having conversations with the members of the team. Why are you spending so much time on this? Have some conversations with finance and accounting, understanding how much are we making off of these tools, and then step back and ask yourself and ask your team, does it make sense for us to even keep making these? The results might surprise you.